As fuel prices continue to rise due to the Iran war, the Taoiseach has said the government is actively reviewing cost of living measures to ease the burden. Micheál Martin was speaking in Philadelphia on the first day of his 4-day visit to the US for St. Patrick's Day. Our Washington correspondent Jackie Fox is in Philadelphia for us tonight. Jackie, the Taoiseach has been speaking at Villanova University. What has he been saying?
That's right, Eileen. The Taoiseach speaking here at Villanova within the last hour. In attendance, members of Congress, the US Ambassador to Ireland, scholars, academics and students. He said in the speech he talked about the strong trade and sporting links between the two countries. He also said that the relationship between the United States and Ireland is one of the most important for the country. And this effectively brings day one of his trip to the United States to a close. But global matters casting a shadow over his trip. He was asked about the Iran war and its impact. Much said too about his meeting with US President Donald Trump in the Oval Office on Tuesday. The Taoiseach said that he hopes he has the opportunity to bring up those global matters, including peace in the Middle East and Ukraine. Despite all this, though, there were many cultural engagements in Philadelphia today. It's the time of year when a small country like Ireland shows how it often punches above its weight. Today the Taoiseach was on the steps made famous by Rocky Balboa as Irish ministers fan out across the US with access to the highest levels of American power. Micheál Martin began his visit laying a wreath at the Irish Famine Memorial. Global events already dominating his time here and their effect on people back home. The Taoiseach said cost of living measures to help people with rising fuel prices is under review.
It's been volatile and we have to look at it both in the short term and medium term because there could be second round inflationary impacts as a result of the impact of the war and particularly oil and gas prices. So government is keeping this under active review.
The opening of the new home of the Irish Diaspora Centre also brought up one of the top issues here in the United States, immigration.
I think we're doing a really good job of keeping each other, providing resources and just continuing the relationship between Ireland and the United States because there's a lot of Irish, a high population of Irish living here, and I think overall we are very comfortable and enjoy living in this country. So just to keep the communications open and the relationships, it would be great.
Day one setting the tone for this 4-day visit. Jackie Fox, RTE News, Philadelphia.